Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how you can create multiple Gmail account or Google account without your phone number or OTP. So first and foremost, what you have to do is you have to download a VPN. In my case, I'm using Turbo VPN. You can go ahead and install the same. And once then, you're going to have to connect it to a location, to a country or region like USA. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and connect it to a random country. So let's go ahead and wait for this. Now, once you can see that I am connected to a VPN because of the above highlight right here. Next, what you have to do is you have to go for settings, scroll below and select Google. Under Google, what you have to do is select all services. You will see phone number verification. So you have to toggle off the phone number verification. By default, this is turned on, but you have to go ahead and turn it off just like this. Once it is so, scroll below and select apps. In here, search for Google Play Services. Open your Google Play Services and select this storage button. Select Clear Data. Select Yes. Now, once done, finally head over to your browser. In my case, I'll be using Brave. And at the top search bar, type in Create Google Account. You will see Create a Gmail Account by Gmail Help itself. Go ahead, open that and select Create a Account. In here, select Create Account and select if it's for personal use, child, or work or business. Type in your first name and last name and select Next. At this page, enter the basic information about your birthday and gender. So make sure that you type in your month clearly and the year as well. And gender, select Next. Now simply create yourself a strong Gmail and select Next again. Once done, this is the page where you create yourself a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbol. Confirm your password here again and select Next. Now as it is so, make sure that you agree with Google's terms and conditions. There you have it, and don't forget to turn off your VPN. So guys, this is how it's done. Thank you for watching.